Understanding and leveraging your strengths offers you a transformative journey towards self-discovery and professional empowerment. In this comprehensive course, you'll embark on an insightful exploration to identify and harness your unique strengths, skills, and talents. You'll learn the significance of self-reflection in recognizing what you naturally excel at and how others perceive your abilities. Through a series of structured questions, you'll uncover your hard skills, achievements, natural aptitudes, and the qualities that set you apart. With practical strategies for leveraging these strengths, the course guides you in redesigning your daily habits and actions to align with your best attributes. This alignment promises not only a more fulfilling career, but also boosts your confidence, engagement, and overall performance in the workplace. By understanding and applying your strengths, you'll navigate your professional path with greater success and satisfaction, making your work not just a job, but a reflection of your best self.